This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to earn money. PayPal is more than just a way to send and receive payments. It's a powerful platform that can help you grow your income. Whether you're a freelancer, an online seller, or looking for new opportunities, understanding how to leverage PayPal is key. This guide will walk you through the simple steps and various methods to start earning today, making the process clear and straightforward for everyone. Let's dive in and unlock your earning potential. There are many popular and accessible ways to start earning money that can be directly linked to your PayPal account. One common method is offering freelance services, such as writing, graphic design, or virtual assistants, where clients can pay you effortlessly. Another excellent option is selling products online, whether handmade crafts or digital goods, using PayPal for secure transactions. You can also explore opportunities like completing online surveys or microtasks, which often reward participants with PayPal funds. These methods provide flexible ways to boost your income. To successfully receive payments, first ensure your PayPal account is fully set up and verified. This usually involves linking a bank account or card. Once ready, you can easily share your PayPal email address with clients or customers, allowing them to send money directly. For a more professional touch, consider creating a custom PayPal Me link, which makes requesting payments incredibly simple. Always double-check the sender's details and the amount before confirming receipt. PayPal offers robust security features to protect your transactions, giving you peace of mind as you earn. To truly maximize your earnings with PayPal, consider diversifying your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore multiple avenues like freelancing, selling, and online tasks. Always prioritize the security of your PayPal account by using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Be aware of any transaction fees that might apply, as these can vary depending on the type and origin of the payment. By staying informed and proactive, you can ensure a smooth, secure, and profitable experience using PayPal to grow your financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.